Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampetubafo. Today we're going to study something about angles. We're going to study something about angles in a triangle. Please, people, do well to watch this video to the end. And I assure you that if you watch it to the end, whenever you get a question like this, you'll be able to solve it. Thank you. Now let's begin. This is the question. Triangle ABC is equilateral. If angle ACD is equal to, into bracket, 2x minus 10 degrees, find the value of x. This is the triangle. Now this triangle, please note this, look at the triangle very well. This is an equilateral triangle, which means all its sides are equal. This side, this side, this side, they are all equal. All the sides are equal. They all have the same length. All the length of the triangle are equal. So therefore, it means all its interior angles are the same. It means all its interior angles are the same. It means all its interior angles has the same value. It means all its interior angles are the same. So solution. Now to solve the question, triangle ABC has all its sides equal. Triangle ABC has all its angles equal, like I said. Since it's an equilateral triangle, all its three interior angles are the same. So therefore, angle BAC, angle BAC, angle BAC, this angle is equal to angle ABC, angle ABC, this angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, angle ACB is equal to y. Let it equal to y. So therefore it means y plus y plus y is equal to 180 degrees. That's why we got this expression. It means y plus y plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Please, I hope you get what I'm saying. All its angles are the same. All its three angles are the same. So it means y plus y plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Since all its angles are the same, they all have the same value. They all have the same value. All its angles have the same value. So therefore, y plus y plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's continue. Y plus y plus y, it makes 3y is equal to 180 degrees. Now we want to find y. So you have to divide both sides by 3. Divide here by 3, here by 3. So y is equal to 180 degrees over 3. Y is equal to 180 degrees divided by 3, get 60 degrees. So y is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle BCA is equal to 60 degrees. Angle BCA is equal to 60 degrees. Angle BCA is equal to 60 degrees. This angle, it means this angle is 60 degrees. Now that is the first part of this question. That's the first part of this question, the first solution of this question. Now the second solution, the second part, angle BCA plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. Angle BCA plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. What it means is that they are on a straight line. They are on a straight line. And every straight line has its part, a top. Every straight line, one side is 180 degrees, the other side is 180 degrees. Every straight line, one side is 180 degrees, the other side 180 degrees. What I mean is that we start from here 1 degree, 10 degrees, 50 degrees, 90 degrees, 120, 130, up to 180. We start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 180 degrees. That is what I mean. That's what I mean. It means this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. It means this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle BCA plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. Hence, 60 degrees plus angle ACD, angle ACD, angle ACD is equal to 2s minus 10 degrees. So therefore, 60 degrees plus 2s minus 10 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now, you want to find s, you have to group like terms. So you have to bring the minus 10 degrees to this part. Group like terms. So therefore, we get 60 degrees minus 10 degrees plus 2s is equal to 180 degrees. Now, 60 degrees minus 10 degrees. 60 degrees minus 10 degrees. 60 degrees minus 10 degrees, you get 50 degrees plus 2s is equal to 180 degrees. Now I want to find s. So we have to move this term to the other side of the equal sign. We want to find s. So we have to move this term, this 50 degrees, to the other side of the equal sign. And whenever a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. Whenever a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. So when its sign is negative, it changes to positive. And when its sign is positive, it changes to negative. So this one is positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative. So we get 2s is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. I hope you understand me. Let's continue. Now we get 2s is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. We get 130 degrees. 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, you get 130 degrees. So therefore, the divide both sides here by 2, here by 2. S is equal to 65 degrees. So therefore, the final answer x is equal to 65 degrees. This brings us to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you love it so much, you can share it with your loved ones and your colleagues and whoever you think is uh, whoever you think need it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.